Imagine having a supercomputer in the palm of your hand, capable of processing complex AI tasks at lightning speeds. This isn't just science fiction. It's becoming a reality with the rapid advancement of AI chips. Today, we're exploring the latest development in the AI chip boom, as AT&amp pours up to 2 billion euros into Malaysia and China, joining the global rush to ride this technological wave. The AI chip market is projected to reach $173 billion by 2028, growing a staggering 40% CAGR. With the rise of edge computing, IoT devices, and AI-powered applications, the demand for specialized chips has never been higher. AT&amp, a Chinese technology company, is betting big on this trend, investing heavily in Malaysia and China to capitalize on the AI chip boom. So what does this mean for you? As a tech-curious professional, you can expect to see improved performance, lower latency,